Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Raven. If you're new, then welcome aboard. As you can tell by the title, in this video I'm going to show you how I go from my short pixie hairstyle to this top knot bun. If that's something that you're interested in, then stay tuned. Okay, so my hair is already dry, but I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it with a comb. I'm mainly going to focus on the roots because I want to blow dry it straight as much as possible before using the flat iron. I'm also blow drying the back and sides, kind of, sort of, just because it won't really make a difference because that hair has never before been relaxed, so it's going to curl up regardless. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Chi flat iron. I'm mainly going to focus on the roots again. It did smooth out with the blow dryer, but I'm going to go ahead and just pass the iron on it a couple of times just to get it as straight as possible, because for this ponytail I need to be able to grasp as much hair as possible because my hair is so short already. Okay, so to achieve this top knot bun look, I am going to be using braiding hair. I cannot remember the name of this brand. I always use this hair. I've used it a few times. So I'm going to put a regular black rubber band directly in the middle. So I'm going to put that to the side for now and start brushing my hair upwards for the ponytail. I don't really need to part my hair apart from the short and long hair, because with the style that I have, it's pretty obvious, which part is short and which part is long. So I do separate it with the brush, and I am using Eco Styling gel to smooth it out. And as you can see, I am squeezing this little ponytail as much as possible, and I'm going to go ahead and put 2 black rubber bands on it. And of course I had to squeeze the hair that's out a little bit because it needed to be tighter. I could have done a better job on that ponytail now that I'm looking at it, but now I'm going to go ahead and brush the back and sides with the Eco Styling gel like so. So now I am going to tie my headscarf around the back and sides to keep it smooth and laying down for a while until it's pretty dry. Now, holding on to the black rubber band that I attached to the braiding hair, I'm going to tie that to my real hair. And I'm going to twist that around a couple of times to make sure that it is nice and secure. Now I'm twisting one side of the braiding hair, and then I'm going to wrap it around like so around my little tiny ponytail. So now I'm securing that with a bobby pin. I only need one for each twist because I'm using big bobby pin. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the other side of hair that's hanging. I'm going to twist that first, and then I'm going to wrap it around my real hair, and that's about it. So sometimes I do this ponytail really skinny or really big, but this time I just wanted to look not too perfect, pointy. Anyways, the braiding hair color I forgot to mention is 2B. Okay, so while I was waiting for the back and sides of my head to dry, I did go ahead and do a full face of makeup just for you guys. Also, as you can tell, this video started with a very sunny day, and then by the time I got to this part, it started raining, and so that's why the lighting is very much different now. So that explains that. So now that I've brushed a few hairs down, I'm going to apply some Eco Styling gel onto it and kind of swoop that towards the ponytail. Alright y'all, so that is how I get my top knot bun style. I don't do this often, and when I wear it, it's like maybe 2-3 days, and then I'm over it and I'm back to my short hair. I'm back and forth with that all the time. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what other videos you would like to see here on my channel. Make sure you're subscribed and turn your post notifications on so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And that is all. Until next time, bye guys.